What is up, everybody? Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to in Serum. Alright, so one of the most important things in music production in general is making sure that you have some good high quality sounds. So it's actually pretty easy to make something sound good. So we're just to demonstrate this, we're gonna open up Serum and just make a sound really quick, just something quick and easy to show that making sounds sound good is in fact quite easy. So we're just gonna throw together a little sine wave noise here, and let's go ahead and see how this sounds. Ah, shit! So I went to Reddit and asked some fellow producers what they'd like to hear me talk about in a video. So we're just gonna go ahead and go on over and see what people are. Some random audio guy says 2 words, rhythm bass. I like the way you're thinking, man. This is actually a good subject to talk about because rhythm bass is a field that I'm generally pretty well practiced in, and that should make for a good thing too. So to get that glorious rhythm bass sound, we're just gonna go ahead and want to open up Massive here and fucking okay, so maybe if I just do and that's how you make a rhythm bass. Cherry Surgeon asks how to be a vibe reader. I've got you covered, Cherry Surgeon. So of course the first thing we're going to want to do is get our vibraphone preset.
Oh God, help me! I don't know what I did!
Yad_ says, why should I learn music theory if I know that the kick should be on each beat and the snare on the third or every second? Song should always be in 4/4 and chords always tied for 4/4 notes. Also, the only chords existing are tritones. Always use the white notes. All melodies should be only steps. Such a waste of time. Get your serums and show the world who's boss. Yeah, absolutely, Yad_. The thing is, with music theory, you could theoretically get more honeys. Alright guys, that is going to— ah, shit!